Welcome or welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to cut a curly pixie haircut using the dry cutting technique. This haircut can also be cut wet. We start the haircut in the nape zone, cutting our square guideline with my trimmers. We continue to take horizontal sections, directing our new section down to the previous section. Using a wide tooth comb and gently directing the curl out past my guide, I point cut above my fingers, using low or no tension. This will ensure you are working with the curl pattern whilst cutting your shape. In this zone, we will be cutting horizontal square graduation to create a flatter, modern shape. We continue to take horizontal sections, working up the head shape, directing every new section down to the previous before cutting. We continue this process until we complete the nape and crown zone. Cutting dry will allow you to see your shape while you are cutting, allowing you to personalize and tailor your haircut to your client's individual curl pattern. Cutting curly hair is best with a dry cut. Wet hair can become very condensed. You won't be able to gauge the amount of hair you're actually cutting, which can lead to shrinkage and other major cutting mistakes. In the side zones, we continue to dry cut with square graduation. Square graduation can be adapted to various lengths and textures, making it a very versatile technique. It provides a strong foundation for more complex haircuts, adding structure and balance. The geometric shape lends itself to various styling options, from sleek and straight to textured and tousled looks. Tips for successful square graduation: maintain consistent elevation, cutting angles throughout the haircut. Work with clean, precise sections to ensure evenness. Regularly cross-check and visualize your work to maintain the integrity of the square shape. I love dry cutting when I want to celebrate texture and movement in straight, wavy, and curly hair textures. It allows me to cut with precision whilst allowing the natural hair texture to have more movement and personality. Building a shape that works with the natural movement of the hair. If my clients want to weigh down the curl, I would cut wet. Both cutting methods are essential to learn, so you can best choose what method will work best for your client's requests. Dry cutting is also a lot of fun. It will allow you to feel more free with your cutting skills, which will help you grow with your technical precision work. In the top zone, I start with cutting the fringe. Taking a large horizontal section, I cut a flat line. Each new section I direct straight out from the head shape to create more texture and movement. Working with the natural hair texture to celebrate the quirky personality of her curl pattern. I connect the top zone into the sides, taking horizontal sections, directing each section to a stationary guide taken from the length in the top side zone. We continue this process on both sides until you run out of hair. To complete the top zone, I take large sections, elevating the hair 90 degrees straight up, cutting a square line. I have chosen to cut with square shapes to create a more modern looking short curly pixie haircut. If necessary, you could refine and personalize this haircut with twist cutting, slide cutting, or point cutting techniques. This will help to collapse the shape and create a more modern curly pixie haircut. Before completing the haircut, make sure you stand back and visualize your work, making any final adjustments before styling. I've chosen to use water to mist the curls to show this shape without product and not styled. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you value my work, be sure to like and subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss future haircut tutorials. And if you like this tutorial, you should check this one out next.